What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since I've been on the bike. Have a little time off today. Today's actually my birthday. Got the big 25, so going for a little joyride before I go over with lunch with my parents. But yeah, let's just go. I think I'm gonna actually go downtown to go to Heinz Field. I haven't been there in a while. It's usually a nice ride. Probably gonna be a little cold, but let's go for it. I don't know. I'm excited to ride. I haven't been on the bike in a while. Gonna ease into it because I know the roads are probably a little salty, but yeah, guys, I'm just gonna share my ride with you guys today and just try to enjoy the day. Hopefully you guys are all doing well, and stay blessed. Woo! Baby, I missed that. Gotta get used to all my controls. It's been a while, I tell you. I haven't ridden a Field Lake in months, even though it's probably been like a few weeks. Had to jump start my bike the other day because the battery died, because I didn't start it for like 3 weeks and it was getting a little cold. Even though my garage is like partially heated, doesn't get the same temperature as outside, but battery did die. I had these LED lights on my bike, and I think that's what was shorting out the battery. I think they still kind of take a little bit of power even when the bike's off, so I disconnected those till I'm riding more on a daily basis, like in summertime. So yeah. I miss just banging their gear so much. It's just so much fun! I was drinking single rental patio. I was having beers with that does not feel that fast. Woo, sliding. I think I'm gonna go from a sheets to sheets run. I'm gonna get some gas. I was gonna go downtown, but I'm just gonna hop on the highway for a couple miles and get off closer to my house, because it's longer of the loop than I thought. Which if I had time I would. I'm supposed to be somewhere in like 50 minutes, and that's like a half-hour ride at least there and back, and I'm still gonna go home and get my car, but just because it's supposed to rain by the time I leave. So let's hop on the highway, boys. That wheelie will skirty. Alright, boys, let's see if we can get this baby rolling. Let her eat a little bit. Even though I did on that one back road, I hit like 112 and like a 35. Squirrel? No, cardboard. Oh. Give me some room to gallop. Ah. Come on. Woo! Yeah. There you go. I've been trying to get people to honk the horn for months. That's hilarious. I turned right and like made eye contact with that trucker. You guys love the trucker horn. They do a little Superman for him. I'm so cold. I'm shivering. Come on, I gotta let her eat one time before the new year. Not many opportunities have been presented. No blue lights is always a good sign. Man, I missed that. That was fun. A little sketchy that truck coming in, but oh well. He at least committed. When they half come over and they switch it, they change their mind. That's when it's a little bit harder. As long as they're predictable, it's easier. But there's no way I was coming to a stop before I got to him. Yee! That was fun. That is rich. Alright guys, well, hope you're all doing well. I know I don't really talk much in these videos. I hardly do. I'm just kind of sharing my journey and having fun out here, but I like to share it with you guys. So thanks for watching. I'm going to get a little gas here, take a little breather, then head back home. Might not record the ride back because there's a couple good little stop signs and straightaways, but we'll see what happens. But if not, thanks for watching guys. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, happy birthday to myself. But sounds good guys. Check out the older videos. Reindeer. I'm just fine all by myself. My legs are shaking. Almost home. Oh, I forgot to put my heated grips back on after getting gas. That's why I'm so freezing. Heated grips. Go check them out in the description. I'll put them down there. I always forget to, but winter time you got to. Like 80 bucks for the kit I bought, maybe 90. Pretty easy to install. That was the first thing I did to my bike and I knew nothing and I got it done, so it couldn't be that hard. Oh, I forgot to reset my gas. There we go. Minus like 10 miles, 5 miles. Run, Forrest, run! If I can't do one for Forrest over here. It brighten up his day, who knows? My cup's half full. My tank's fully full. Romper. Baby hawk. Alright guys, made it home in one piece. That's all you ever can ask for. So have a good one. Happy New Year. connected to Mitchell's iPhone. Oh, you gotta turn that on. This thing's dope too. If you don't have a good garage door opener, get the MyQ app.